In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SuperTrended Moving Averages in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're fairly new to TradingView, you'll be able to follow along easily and get this set up on your own charts by the end of the video. First, make sure you're logged in and you have a chart open in TradingView. Any market or time frame is fine. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window appears, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community-made indicator without having to scroll through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now in the search field, start typing SuperTrended Moving Averages. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below and show you any indicators that match that name. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, as there can sometimes be multiple indicators with very similar titles. You want the one that's specifically called SuperTrended Moving Averages, or the closest match to that, depending on how it's listed in your version. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the SuperTrended Moving Averages to your currently open chart. You should see your price candles overlaid with one or more moving average lines that change behavior based on the supertrend logic built into the script. From here, you can customize it further if you like. To do that, hover over the indicator name in the upper left of your chart, then click on the settings icon. Inside the settings panel, you can usually adjust things like the length of the moving averages, the type of moving average used, colors, and line thickness. Feel free to tweak these so that they're easy to see against your chart background and match your personal trading style. If you want access to more charts, alerts, and additional tools, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description. That supports the channel and unlocks more powerful features that work really well with indicators like SuperTrended Moving Averages. And that's all you need to do to add SuperTrended Moving Averages in TradingView Pro.